Well guys, good morning. I don't know if you can see behind me the weather here. Yeah, it's rain. Unfortunately it rains since this morning. It's a bummer because we wanted to enjoy the sun, but we're getting the winter time here, so it's rainy season. Can still play with the dog. He's happy that we're here, and there's not much to do and see around here if it's raining. So I'm just checking all my pictures that I took from Kruger Park. You probably saw a lot of ones already on Instagram. I'll put you the link below. And yeah, so we stay mostly in the house. Beautiful house. It's actually Katja's colleague house. She was very nice to invite us here, as she's not even here herself. So she's very nice, thanks to her. And maybe I have time, if the rain stops, I can show you the house and the village from the top with the drone. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it's gonna stop soon. So, a little house tour. Here is the deck. Usually there's two hammock around here, but as it rains, come. You can see it's beautiful blue weather. Yeah, not so much, it's a little bit cloudy, but still there's a lot of sun, so I can show you up in the sky with the drone, and then we're gonna go to the beach, and fortunately then we have to leave to Maputo because it's our last day at the beach.